Hi everyone, I'm Putin from HBD. Here we are going to show you the world's largest aerospike rocket engine that we have printed, and this one is designed by Leap 71 using their artificial intelligence driven software. They're using our HBD E800 mode to finish the printing without any interruption, and looks very nice, shiny and fantastic.
It's a big honor for the interview from TCT. This is David from HBD. So the aerospike engine we have made here, which is so far maybe the biggest one in the world to do the aerospike engine. We have made with Leap 71, and they are tight partners with us. We have a tight cooperation with each other. They offer us the design, and we realize the production. That is how it works. So far, this engine we have made is made from the Inconel.
Using our HBD 800 mode with the build volume of 830 times 830 with the height of 1250. This engine is the world's largest 3D printed aerospike rocket engine, generating 20 tons of thrust. It's the 1 meter tall cryogenic methane liquid oxygen engine.
So we have made these engines like 2 weeks ago. After that, we're going to send this engine to UAE and realizing the testing. So our HBD 800, the equipment especially designed for the aerospace, this area, and other industries, especially in car industries and other industry, we need to make big components. And others, in fact, we have above 800, we can reach up to like 1,600. Which can realize more kind of design, such as the aerospike engines we have made it here, and also other kind of components, such as some racks and some other kind of metal, other engine bodies, these kind of things.